Hello. So Hindi Varnamala, Swar or Vyanjan. So the first step, if you want to read Hindi, if you have to know the letters of Hindi language, the vowels and consonants. Okay, Hindi is called as Halant Bhasha and Devanagari script. That and all in detail about all the alphabets. I will make another video. This video is just if you want to read Hindi. If you see this video, that would be more than enough. Let us go ahead. Start. Let us start. शुरू करते हैं. So you must know swar and vyanjan in order to read. So a so I'm not concentrating on anar, and all. I'm just concentrating on the letters alone. Okay, I'm not going to tell meanings also. I'm going to teach you how to read. Okay, that's all. This letter is a, I, e, u, u, ri, a, I, o, au, aha. Okay, this is your swar. Okay, in the I told you already. I have in another video I will be telling about what is in detail about all the pronunciation, everything. Okay, this would be more than enough for reading. Okay, this is your swar and your consonants are k, k, kha, g, gha, nya. Ang also you can tell. Okay. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va. Sha, sha, sa, ha. Ksha, tra, gya. This is ada, adha. Okay, retro reflex, ra kind of a tongue will go back. So I'm not explaining about what is alpa pran, which is for pronunciation. I'm not concentrating in this video. In our next video you will be seeing about the correct pronunciation, everything. Okay, if you watch, you can watch that video or you can watch this video, come back and okay. So this is all your letters. You must be able to know the letters and their sounds. What is this? Da, like that. You must whatever letter it may be, you need to identify it, then only it is possible for you to read. So these are all the letters of Hindi alphabets. Next, so pronunciation, another video I will be doing about this and all. You should know this is k, kha, g, gha, nya, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, ta, tha, da, da, ana, ta, tha, da, da, na, pa, fa, ba, ba, ma. Ya, ra, la, va. Sha, sha, sa, ha. Ksha, tra, gya, shra, da, ada. Right? So you have to know this. This will be enough. Then what happened? First you learn this, the sounds, how to write, I mean how to read, which letter. Identification is important. 1 minute. So this is important. Then after learning your letters, first you have to blend and see. Okay, what this is, now you have now what I said, you have to identify the letter. So with the identification of letters, you'll be able to read this. By reading this, you'll gain confidence. Oh, I'm also able to read Hindi like that. Ja, ga, jag. Na, la, nal. Ga, ra, gar. Ra, ta, rat. Ba, sa, bas. U, na, un. In the similar manner, you have to read all these words. Two letter with only the letters what we have learned with the letters of Hindi alphabet. We are able to read this. Ja, g, jag. Na, la, nal. Ka, la, kal. So if I go on read this, the video will become lengthy. So I'm skipping this. Then after this, yes, you practice this and all. Okay. Cha, th, chat. Ta, k, tak. Ja, t, jet. Okay, you have to practice yagya, yagnya. Like that. You practice the two letter words which don't have any matras. I will tell you what is matras now. Then the sentences bus bus chad chad bus chad gar chal fal check tub rag जग मत बर वह टब बर नल पर चल अब जल बर. So these don't have anything with only the letters alone what we have learned. So it is important for you to know the letters and to blend. Bus bus. Understand children? So for example this one. Cut cut mat kar. Simple to read. You have to know the letter and first two letter words, two letter sentences you. Then three letter words like kamal, kamal, magar, magar, batak, batak, anak, anak, aurat, aurat, akshar, akshar. In the same manner, you try reading the three letter words which doesn't have any matras, only with the swar and some vyanjan. What we have learned, we made some, yeah, we made some words, right? We are reading words. So in the same manner, you read the three letter words Kamal, Fasal, Mahal, Uchal, Tahal, Magar, Agar, Dagar, Nagar, like that. Shahid. Up to here, you can take screenshot or you can read. Next, then with sentences Uchal Mad, Shahad Chak, Palak Japak, Bhajan Kar, Agar Magar Mat Kar, Chat Par Tahal. Okay, so there are some rules, easy. Unlike other languages, Hindi is very easy. Ta means ta, that's all. It will not change. Whereas in English, we'll be having so many a for a alone. You'll be having it. The sound will change. But Hindi is very easy for you. So first read this. Then you read the four letter words. In four letter words, what you have to do, you have to divide into two. Okay, if there is no matras, there is four letter word. How you have to read? Ad, rak. Two, you have to split. Ad, rak, ad, rak. Shar, bat, shar, bat. Tan, ubtan. Tar, mas, mas. Cut, mal, cut, mal. Nut, cut. The same manner you have to read the four letter words also. So practice shaljam, halchal, ajgar, parval, uchraj, marham, like that. Nutcut. Up to nutcut, you practice reading all the four letter words which doesn't have any matras. So then sentences. Kalam, Kamal Falchak, Raman Nalpar Jalbar, Bahan Patpar Sarpat Matjal, Panagatpar Jalbar, like that. You start reading without matras. It is very, very easy for you to read initially. Then after reading this, you can practice this and all. Poems are there. बट गए जब कदम चल डगर अब ना तम. Okay, like that some poems are there which doesn't have any matras. आम पक गए, वन लद गए, हर तरफ तब फल सब महक गए. Like that, there are some poems or anything. You can read this for reading practice you can do so that your confidence will improve a lot. Then after this is passage, so no matras are there in this passage. See, you can read this. Okay, you can read all these short stories and passages which doesn't have any matras. You practice. Then after practicing amatric words or bina matra wale words, then comes your a ki matra words. So this is a ki matra symbol, a standing line. Okay, if there is a standing line, it means you have to pronounce that this is ba, right? If there is this symbol beside ba, it will sound as ba. After ka, this is ka, this is ha, ka, pa, like that. So ag, ag, ba, bal, car, car, hath, hath, kam, kam, pan, pan. Ra, rag, rag. Dag, dag. Jag, sag, nag. You have to drag 2 times more time than that of the original. Dal, kal, dal, jal, like that. Actually, traditionally what they will do, they will kaka, kiki, kuku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha, barakadi. They will teach after the varnamala. Okay, so so ka. So this is your आ की मात्रा वाले words. Okay, these words you have to learn. First practice reading this आ की मात्रा वाले words. Okay, it is not there for children. In that manner also you can do, or in this method also you can do. You can learn with आ की मात्रा and amatric words. You can easily read. U ki matra, finish. So in the same manner, U ki matra. So one line, one column I will read, children. Remaining all you practice. Okay. Doop, doop, do the dood. Fool, fool. Book, book. Ta, U ki matra, tu, ta, toot. A, la, U ki matra, lu, alu. Like that. In the same manner, Ri ki matra. So this one. Ri, ta में ऊ की मात्रा तू. ओके, र तू, ऋतु. ऋ चा, ऋचा. ऋ षि, ऋषि. ऋ जु, ऋजु. In the same manner you can read this. ग्रह, ग्रह. मृग, मृग. मा में री की मात्रा से मृ it will become. Ma is Vyanjan. Vyanjan, it is depending on ru. Ra symbol, this is ru symbol. Re is there, no? Our re is there, no? That symbol with the symbol it is becoming mru. Okay, mri, re Sanskrit word. Okay, mrug, vriksh, krishak, like that. So you go on reading. Next, ye ki matra words. Bel, b, e, l, bel. Sa, e ki matra se, b, seb. Ra, e ki matra re, t, ret. Ja, e ki matra je, b, jeb. Ma, e ki matra me, l, आ की मात्रा ला. ओके, मेला, बेला, ठेला, केला, करेला, सवेरा. Practice reading, children. Then I की मात्रा words. Pear. This one, pair also you can read, or they will normally. Pear is also good, correct. Pear is also correct. Bear is also correct. A, that sound is also correct. Normally we will tell I. Okay, I. A also correct. Okay, no need to worry. Pyre or pear, bell, fair, mina, kaisa, kaisa. They will tell kaisa. Both are right. But while speaking, while spoken Hindi, they will use a kind of a thing. Pedal, battery. Okay, battery. Sainik, Maidan, camera, Naya, Kailash. Okay, Thaila, Baya, Betty. Okay, so you understood. I think, I hope you understood. I also you can tell. A also you can tell. Pear, bale also you can tell. Pyre, bale also you can tell. Both are wrong. While speaking, it will be very difficult for them to tell pyre like that. So they will tell pear. Baito, instead of baito, they'll tell bato, bato. Like that they will tell. Both are right. Children, next moving ahead. O. Now after A ki matra, learn O ki matra words. Door, door. Goal, goal. Tota, tota. Chola, chola. Sa O ki matra so, cha, soj. Da O ki matra do. Sa A ki matra sa, do sa. Ga O की मात्रा गो, ढा, घोड़ा. जा O की मात्रा जो, ल आ की मात्रा ला, जोला. थोड़ा, डोना, दोना, बोना. In the same manner you read O की मात्रा words. And if you search in it also, okay matra wale shabd, you will get lots of words. You practice that. So once you are thorough with okay matra word, then you practice some 50 words, like 50 or 100 words, like that you practice okay matra words. Jav, now, cow, nauka, bauna, lauki, mausi. Ga, औ की मात्रा गौ, र ई की मात्रा री, गौरी। म औ की मात्रा मौ, का आ की मात्रा का, मौका। म औ की मात्रा मौ, सा मौसम। च औ की मात्रा चौ, द ह चौदह। च औ की मात्रा चौ, ख ट चौखट। ग औ की मात्रा गौ, र व गौरव। द औ की मात्रा दाव, रा ada. Okay, tongue is going back, retro reflex. दाव, रा ना दौड़ना। च औ की मात्रा चौ, क ई की मात्रा की, चौकी। त औ की मात्रा तौ, ली ला छोटी ई की मात्रा ली, या आ की मात्रा या, तौलिया, पौधा. The same in like this, slowly, step by step, steadily you learn औ की मात्रा words, children. Move on to an ki matra words. There is one, this one here, children. So if the dot here is before tha, ta, da, da, na, what is the last letter? Tha, ta, da, da, na. Okay, this is here for tha, ta, da, da, na. What is the last? Panchama akshar, na, right? So this dot will take na sound. Sant. Okay. Ga. The dot is before kha, ka, ga, ga. So what is the last letter? Nya or ang. Okay. Sa, ng, sang. Alright. So this dot is before da. Tha, ta, da, da, na. So the da will come in ta, ta, da, da, no. Okay. This da is coming in ta, varg, no. What is the last letter? Panchamakshar, ana. So this thand will take thand. So if you remove that dot, it will become, you can press half ana, you can write like this, thand. Right. So in the same manner, khand. Okay. Yeah. In the same manner, you can read the remaining words. Kangan. Normally, it will make na sound only. Only before, you can, if you tell na sound only, automatically you will get pronunciation. That is one trick, children. So, and one more thing. Pa, fa, ba, ba, ma. If the dot is before pa, fa, ba, ba, ma, that dot should be ma only. Okay. So, see here. This letter. Kanba you should not read. Kamba only you have to read. Okay, only power you remember. Remaining and all, if you use na, it will be fine. Almost normally. Actually, this is a correct way. So you can use this now also. Normally, if you say sant, tand also, now only no. So you can use that also. Only pa, fa, ba, ba, ma. So before pa or fa, ba, ba, ma, if there is dot, you be careful and don't read it as kan, ba. Don't read. It is kamba only. Okay. So in the same manner, and words and all, you finish it off. Okay. If the dot is before ka, ka, ga, ga, nya, okay, it is ang. If the dot is before cha, cha, ja, ja, nya, the dot sound is nya. If the dot is before ta, ta, da, da, na, the dot sound is anam. Okay. If the dot is before ta, ta, da, da, na, the dot sound should be na only. Okay. If the dot is before pa, pa, ba, ba, ma, the dot sound is ma only. And okay. So if okay, yeah. So that will be enough for till now for reading. That is enough, children. So punah. So punah, atah. Okay, this dot is, this is called as visarga. What is this called? Visarga. So only Sanskrit words uses this. Punah, atah. Ha sound will come. Ha sound. Okay. Punah, atah, swatah, antatah. Only Sanskrit words it will use like this. Okay. Next, children. Moving ahead. So first, now you all know this matras. So okay, a की मात्रा, छोटी की मात्रा, बड़ी की मात्रा, छोटा ऊ की मात्रा, बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा, री की मात्रा, this is री की मात्रा, ए की मात्रा, आई की मात्रा. Okay, the symbol, no, the symbol, it represents it. This symbol represents E sound. This one sound only, that one. Works only it is representing in the form of symbol. That's all. We cannot write everywhere. With the help of symbols, swar, the Vyanjan is taking the symbol of swar and it is making sounds. Okay. Fa, ows, fows. F only. Okay. We should not f plus ow, fow. Okay. J plus ow, jauhari, jauhari. Like that. You read this chart also you read. Then, once you are thorough with all the matras, everything, then comes your half letter words. Okay, now I know all the matras. Then what you have to do? You have to know half letter. How to write half letter words. Oh, okay, if identification of half letters, not writing. You are learning how to read, right? So this is half ka, this is half kam, this is ga. Normally, children. So if you remove, for example, if you remove the standing line, it will become half. So for some we cannot remove. For ka, no, this is half ka. And for some letters will not have a standing line. For example, cha is there, this one is there. We cannot remove the standing line like ja, cha and all. For cha this is okay. Ja, there is standing line, so we removed it. It has become half ja. Ta also there is no, we cannot make into, we cannot remove the standing line, so we are using this symbol is called as halant. Even okay, even this ka ga ga also you can use. If you don't want to use this, okay, you can while writing you can use this one k. Okay, so ta ta da da, no, this row it will not have any standing lines, so rounded shape, no. So for that and all we'll use halant. Remaining and all, if you remove the standing line, that will be more than enough. So see, pa, fa, ba, ba, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, kshatra, kyashra. Okay, what is the trick I said? If you remove the standing line, that will become half. For ka, you have to do like this. For fa, you have to do like this. Okay, that two only will be different. Remaining and all, if you remove the standing for ba, for example, ba, if you remove this, it will become half ba. So, you have to read then. Dvitva Vyanjan means two same, one half and one full is there. That is Dvitva Vyanjan. Samyukta Vyanjan means, for example, makki, like that. Two different together. That is a Samyukta Vyanjan. Makka, bachcha, adda, dibba, shayya. Okay, makka. Okay, that half ka is equal to this. You remember k, k, ch. This means ch. I will read one more minute. You see ma, k, k, g, g. Okay, ch, ch, j, j, t, t, d, d, t, t, d, d. Okay, circle should be there. P, f, b, b, like that. Like so. These are the half letter words. You remember y, r, l, v. These half letter words you remember. Then after the half letter words, I told you no, the dot rule I told you no, children. So ank. Okay, ank. This is the form ank. Punk. You can write, if you remove dot, it will become like this. Kangan. If you remove dot and write, this is the way. Kangi. The dot sound is nya or ang. Okay. In the same manner, this dot sound is nya, manjan, janj, nja. Yes, nya. Yes, janja, panchi. Okay, mancha, nya. Okay, so now in the same manner, yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay. Next, if the dot is before tha, tha, da, da, na, that dot will take, that dot sound is ana. Ghanta. See here, this is the form. These both are same only. This both are same only. If you have dot, it is in this form. There is, if you don't want to use dot, you can write this is correct, this is also correct. Kant, Kant, Janda, Janda, Gandak, Gandak. Okay, so in Tavarg, before Tavarg, if there is dot, okay, ta, the dot sound is na. Ant, Grant, Mand, Gand. In the same manner, Papa Baba, the last letter is Nam. So the dot sound should be Ma sound only, no Na or something. Pump, Gumfan, Kambal, Kamba. So Panchamakshar. Panchamakshar. The dot is before what you have to see, which varg you have to see, and then that is the rule. Normally, if you tell na, that will be enough. Okay. Yeah, nya. This also na. If you tell the pronunciation, no, nothing mistake will happen. This also na. This is murdana. This is na. Okay. Normally, it will not. You will not make any mistake if you say na. For papa, baba, ma, you check. I will use pen again. Only I will be able to teach you. So, Dubba, Dubba, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so D plus Ya, Dya. Okay, this is the, half the, and Ya. Dya. If you see this word, this is Dya. Dya, right? So, Vidya, Vidyalay, like that. Vidya. So, Padma, Dma, Dma. If you see this one, half the, half ma, half the and ma, dma, padma, dv, dva. This you all know, dwar, dva. Okay, so in the same manner, h plus ma, like this, brahma. Okay, bahma. This is brahma. Okay, ma. Okay, sorry, ma. Okay, this is h plus ya, ya. What is this? H plus ya also there. Bahya. Bahya. Outer. Bahya prapancha. Outer world. Okay. Bahya. So in the same manner, ha is there. In ha, uki matra say it will become hridaya. Hridaya. So these are some of the words. K plus ta. Ta. You can write like this. For some reasons, what they will do, you can write ta in this way or in this way also. Okay, ta is there. K. This is ka, right? I told you to remember to remove this line, no? So they had made like that. Bhakt. You can, this is kta. Normally you can write like this ma. For reading and all, if you see this word, this letter, this means kta. Okay. Yeah, this one. So that is about Vakta. You can write this way or this way, both are same. Okay. While writing it is not a problem. While reading you should know. This is also ta only, like that. Okay. This is about the different characters, the compound letters, or you can call this as Samyukta Vyanjan. Okay. Pakka, Makka, that all that or Dvitva Vyanjan. This is Samyukta Vyanjan. So after Samyukta Vyanjan, I told you, no, Samyukta Vyanjan, that is ka is it. Apart from ka, ka, ga, ga, nya to shra, no, this ksha, gya, shra is there, no. What you know? This is the combination of two Vyanjan. With the help of two Vyanjan only it is formed. K plus sha, ksha. K plus sha, ksha. Okay, K plus sha plus a, ksha. Tra. K plus, okay, I mean, sorry. Tra. T plus ra, tra. Yeah. Okay. J plus nya, nya. Okay. This one is sh plus ra, shra. This ra again they have divided into r plus a. This nya again they divided into nya plus a. This ra again they have divided into r plus a. Because ra is again r plus a only ra. Sh plus a only sha. They have wrote like this. I have wrote like this. Both are correct. K plus sha, ksha. T plus ra, tra. J plus nya, nya. Sh plus ra, shra. So This one is ksha, tra, gya, shra. If you have difficulty pronouncing, remember k plus sha, t plus ra, okay, j plus nya, like that, sh plus ra, okay, akshar, raksha, kaksha, kshama, siksha, pariksha. I think this samyukta akshar also only Sanskrit words only they normally use these words. See here. So if you then you have to read this one. एक क्षत्रिय कृपान लेकर आया, वह मुनि के आश्रम में आया था, वह मुनि के यज्ञ की रक्षा के लिए आया था. You read the paragraph. Okay, samyukta akshar paragraph you read. Then you dvitva vyanjan and samyukta vyanjan. Two half letter words is there, no? This means cha. Okay, this means that you remember. Okay, bachcha, rassi, billi, gubbara, sab. Okay, these are two same letter words. Dvitva vyanjan. This is samyukta. One is ba, another one is ja. Okay, these both are different letters. So this is samyukta. Okay, different. So sabji, biscuit, pustak, adhyapak. So you practice reading with vyanjan. This is samyukta vyanjan. Pakka, mummy, ganna, kacha, kutta, patta, assi, gadda, makka, lassi, laddu, chammach. In the same manner, read the compound. I mean, different samyukta akshar, samyukta vyanjan. So both different. Pyaj, gwala, vignya, makhi. Okay, takti, gucha, machar, yuddha, kanha, pattar, chitti, samapt. You read this. Then bol kar pado. Okay, you have to read and you have to read it out loud. Okay. पम्मी लेकर आई मक्का, छिलका छील निकाला मक्का, साग बनाया कट्टा कट्टा, आम मिलाया कच्चा कच्चा, चम्मच से फिर उसे चलाया, सब बच्चों ने जमकर खाया. So with the help like this, you practice reading this Dvitya Vyanjan and Samyukta Vyanjan. Okay, हमारे अध्यापक बहुत अच्छे हैं, हम उनसे विद्या प्राप्त करते हैं, वे हमें सत्य बोलना सिखाते हैं, वे हमें स्वच्छ रहना सिखाते हैं, वे नित्य हमें अच्छी बातें सिखाते हैं. Like that you read the words which have the samyukta akshar or dvitya akshar, that you read. And then afterwards now coming to different forms of ra. So ra will have three forms. Okay, this is also ra. Okay, this is also ra. This is also ra. When which ra will come, that we will see now. P plus ra. First what sound is coming? Pa sound is coming. Then only no ra sound is coming. So in that case you have to write ra over here. So if you see like this, that means that first you have to pronounce the vyanjan sound, then only ra sound. Pra. You write. If you want, you can practice like this. Kra, kra, gra, gra, chra. Okay, like this. Chra, jra, jra. Like that you practice. First vyanjan sound, then only your ra sound. Okay. For example, so first ra sound is coming, and then only your consonant sound is listening. Okay, यदि रा हलंत वाले हो और उसके बाद कोई व्यंजन वर्ण आए तो रा व्यंजन वर्ण के ऊपर लगाता है. So a rk. If you see this one, rk. This is first ra sound you have to pronounce, then only ka sound you have to pronounce. If you want, you can do this activity also. Rka, rka, erga, erga. Okay, ircha. Like that you can practice this one also. So in tata dada, okay, for example, there is no standing line, no. Okay, we'll get confused with this is halant. This is your halant. And again with the half Okay, this is halent. For ta, ta, da, da alone, this is your tra, tra, dra, dra. Okay, first ta sound, then ra sound. Okay, for what is this? Tra, tra, dra, dra. I hope you understood. Okay, so j plus ra, jra. T plus ra, tra. Okay, I told you, no, this is samyuktakshar. So you need not, okay. V plus ra, vra, gra, tra, dra, shra, gra, dra, mra. Okay, sra, like that. So, that is about your different forms of ra. Remember, if you see this kind of a thing, first Vyanjan sound, then Ra sound. If you see this kind of a thing, first Ra sound, then Vyanjan sound. Pra, Rya. Understood? So, yeah, this is the different forms of Ra again. Children, Rat, Rat. See here Ra is coming in its own form. Rat, Rabad, Roti, Rat. Here Ra is coming. First, what you have to find? First Ra sound. First Ra sound. Park, park, parvat, parvat, nartak, nartak, surya, surya. In the same manner, you read this. Karma, garva, sarpa, parva, like that. So, this is called as ref. First ra sound is coming, that is ref. This is called as paden. For ta, ta, da, da alone, you will use this ma. I told, we have saw in the previous slide, no? Ta, ta, da, da alone, you use this. So, okay, first Vyanjan sound, then Ra sound. So, brush. First Vyanjan sound, then only Ra sound. Ra sound is at the last. Grah. T, ra, truck. D, ra, drum. Crumb. Train. So, if you see, first you have to, if you have this kind of a thing, again, okay, Ra, for Ra only this matra, okay. Train. Dress. Ray sound, okay. Dress. You understood? Train. This is train. This is dress. Okay. Kram. Vrit. Pratik. Prakash. Train. Tram. Dress. Rashtra. Okay. So, Mary metro. Mary metro. You read this. मैं रोज मेट्रो में जाती हूँ. वहाँ क्रम से चढ़ाना पड़ता है. मेट्रो का मार्ग में 1 minute children 1 minute. या मेट्रो के मार्ग में कोई बाधा नहीं आती. ओके, सूर्य का प्रकाश आता है परंतु गर्मी नहीं लगती. मेट्रो राष्ट्र की प्रगति की सूचक है. मेट्रो में हम धर्म तथा जाति का फर्क नहीं करते. This is enough, children. This is enough. If you know this, you will be able to read Hindi. What we have seen, first we have to learn the letters, then all the matre, ka ki matra, choti ki matra, like that. All the matra words you have to read. Then you have to learn your Dvitva Vyanjan and some half letter words, how to join and blend and read half letter words. Then different forms of Ra. If you learn, this is enough. You can read whatever, wherever you see any Hindi words, or if you want to read any Hindi book, that is all needed. This is all basics needed in order to read. You will be able to read any Sanskrit poems also. You will be able to read, because Hindi and Sanskrit are same script, Devanagari script. You can read Vishnu Sahasranamam slokas in Hindi, in Sanskrit also. If you know this, you will be able to read in Sanskrit, and you will be able to read in Hindi as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye.